lang yun siya na gano'n, bumuka siya ng gano'n. Eh, since second hand, hindi ko ano yung warranty eh. Tara, kape na tayo.
We're just talking about the mismatch wheels. Parehong zip, but this is a 454 NSW and a 353. Oh, here's someone I haven't seen in ages. Kamusta, Paolo Joe?
All good, all
Ang
good.
aking
Nice to see you, man.
ka-Gucci gang. Kailan ba tayo bibili ng Gucci horse? Ilan na ang Gucci mo? Baka 3 na. Ako wala pa.
Gusto ko sabay kita eh.
Sige. Hindi natin kuno yung Adidas collab eh.
Meron ba?
Pare, yung yung loafer na gold horse bit with 3 stripes. Like, hindi mo pala alam yun.
Oh, let's get it. Now I know.
Sige, that was a release from 3 years ago. Pero, sige, huntingin natin.
Antingin natin.
Oh, yeah, okay. I've seen this before. Anong bago dito? Yung red, no? Didn't this used to be Shimano?
The Rapid.
Bagong Rovals mo. So, pero feedback naman sa Asioma. Are you happy with the Asiomas?
Actually, no eh.
Hala.
Mas gusto ko yung ano ko eh. Yung spider base. Kasi may spacer dito.
I see.
So medyo confusing siya kapag nag-switch ka ng bike.
And Asioma din yun, yung spider-based.
Yung sa spider base ko yung AXS.
AXS, got it.
Na SRAM. So it's actually okay. It gives you a lot of data, no? But if you're switching bikes, it can be very confusing because of the spacing. But
Gotcha.
other than that, the data it's superior.
Is this a duo?
This is the Duo.
Okay, good. Kung bibili ka na rin lang, wag mo nang tipirin, i-duo mo na, di ba? You're looking at power, tapos singular lang, malilito ka pa kung kaliwa o kanan yung gumagana.
Correct.
I love the setup. Medyo olive pa. Very good. This is Ryle's bike. This guy. Oh, si Rob. Bigay-pugan muna tayo, Rob. Naka-on ba yan? Vlogception ba to? Let's make it into... Rob is leading us today into Mordor. Okay, this is an Aspiro. When I saw this bike, sabi ko kay Rel, medyo weird. I'll tell you why. Gravel bike. One by. Ang one by na gravel bike, di naman bago yan. But the chainring is big. 46. Oh, malaki pa rin. G-Rex, it's a Di2 gold chain. The biggest cog is 50. But it's not a microspline hyperglide siya. And Ryle used a ZTTO cassette. So in case you're wondering, no, HG ang wheels mo, pero gusto mong malaking sprocket, no? ZTTO has the cassette for that. Na hyperglide, hindi mo kailangan mag-microspline. One of the things I noticed din, yung Avian bar. Una ko nga pinansin to because I plan on getting an Avian bar for my Cannondale. Ryle is very happy with the bar. That's enough reason for me to be convinced na kukuha ako. Love it. This is a weird bike, man. It works.
It works.
Love it. Iba-iba, oh. Yeah, power meter, Magine, PS.
So may identity crisis.
Let's go back to Jeremy's bike. So SRAM red with a CS OSPW oil slick. Scheme here, oil slick cassette, oil slick chain. The bike. Anong tawag sa colorway ng bike? May official name ba to?
Viola Galaxy.
Viola Galaxy.
Inimbento ko lang yan.
Tuti pala to. Huwag na kayo maniwala dito. Ano ba yan? O yan, mismatch. Medyo identity crisis din. Pero...
For climbing, for fast.
For fast. Okay.
Kaya di ba yun naman yung importante daw eh. Yung likod is yun yung deep kasi yun yung nag-ano talaga sa'yo, nag-streamline sa'yo.
I can give you an old 10-speed rusty bike. You're still gonna be fast. What are you talking about, man? Jeremy Chalamet! Ito mga tropa. There's groups within groups and this is my group. My man. Here we go. Oh yeah, ito bike ko. You've seen this. You've seen this before. My SL8. Oh, by the way, this is a specialized ride. Hindi naman kailangan specialized ang bike mo, but I have a specialized. Why am I gonna bring a different bike to a specialized ride? Here we go, SL8, vivid pink with a green livery, green decals, Durace, Zip 404 Firecrest, specialized Roman saddle, little Val Rapide bar. Oh look, Kiyo Blade carbon pedals. Yan. Ganda.
Kung pwede kayo later, may beer dito. mag-beer. Pwede tayo mag-beer dyan. Pace-wise, steady lang. Pero kung gusto nyo hindi steady, tama lang kayo sa group dyan. Kahit no.
Para namang nothing major. Hope everything's alright. Oh, the bangers.
Meron? Ayan, di.
Okay na, kami na yung meron pa ba? May 2 guys kanina, di ba? Nag-stop.
Okay, Petron stop. Let's look at Rob's bike. It's a Crux 4. It's the gray and white and orange color. Hindi ko alam kung gray to. Para siyang lilac na dark, no? This one's definitely gray. GRX 610. The Victoria tan wall tires. 3D saddle. Yellow bar tape. 45C tires nga pala yan. Very nice. Alan.
Josh.
Haba. Ang dami. Ay, ako na. Nope. Ang haba. Haba ng pila?
Ito. Nag-refill lang ako ng ano.
Ayaw mo na yan? Sige.
Nag-refill lang ako sa... Pinang-refill ko lang yan kasi...
R-bar na to, R-bar. Lalagay ko lang naman sa bote. Ahaba ng fila. So it's the end of the line for this group at least.
I'll go with you guys. Ayoko na.
Mag-aano tayo, Sherwood.
Saan ba siya?
Lomi
Run.
Resort and Casino.
Oh.
Oh, feel free. Feel free. Alright. Dito nga pala tayo sa Sherwood Hills Golf Club. This is our table. Ready na. Ang ating lomi-lomi. Saan ako upo? Dito na lang ako. Thank you, brother. Look at that.
Yung tungkol sa sound ng sapatos. Ano yung sound sa... Ito. Oh. Yung may naghihintay sa garahe. Akala niya baba, chicks na naka-heels. Mas paglabas dun sa ano, yung nakita na niya,
Lalaki pala.
pag-cycling.
Siklista pala. It's my longest ride so far with the SL8. I'm very happy. Bilis. You know, the bike is smooth. It's my smoothest bike. It's my fastest bike. It's my most efficient bike. No wonder. It's built for speed. So 73 kilometers. We're gonna get home. Baka tumama pa ng 75 to. It's 10:27. We're almost home. That was a good ride. Good company. Today's a good day. Look at the fire tree.